He was 65 years old. Most people were thinking about retirement, but not him, not Harland Sanders. He had spent a lifetime working, failing, and being overlooked. And yet, he believed that one idea, one recipe, could change the world. On Grivox today, we bring you the story of a man who failed 1,009 times and still became a legend. Harland Sanders didn't have an easy start. Born in 1890, he lost his father at a young age and had to work to support his family. Jobs came and went: farmhand, streetcar conductor, insurance salesman, gas station attendant. He failed at one thing after another, and yet he never gave up on work, on life, or on himself. By the time he was 65, he was living on a modest $105
Most people at that age were
slowing down, accepting a quiet life. But not Harland. He had a secret, a fried chicken recipe perfected over years. With 11 herbs and spices, he believed it could win hearts, if only given a chance. The journey begins, so he hit the road. Driving across America, he knocked on restaurant doors, offering his recipe. 110, 100, 500, 1,000 times. Each time, he heard the same word: no. People laughed at him. They said he was too old. They said his idea was too simple. But each rejection didn't break him, it only fueled him. Sleeping in his car, driving from town to town, carrying his recipe like a treasure. 1,009 doors closed, 1,009 rejections. And yet, he refused to quit. And then, on the 1,010th door, someone said yes. A small restaurant owner agreed to try his recipe. The food was a hit. Customers loved it. And from that single yes, everything changed. KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken was born. But success didn't come overnight. Harland traveled tirelessly, perfecting his method, teaching others, building a franchise from scratch. He didn't make his first million until his late 60s. He didn't become globally famous until he was over 70. Yet, he proved something timeless: it's never too late to start. And persistence always pays off. When people told him to give up, he said, "A man's gotta eat, and I'm gonna make sure it's the best chicken he's ever had." He didn't just sell chicken. He sold belief in persistence, in quality, in refusing to quit. He became a symbol for millions, proof that age, failure, or ridicule doesn't define your destiny. KFC spread to over 140 countries. His face became an icon, but his real legacy wasn't fame or money. It was the lesson that dreams can't expire, only belief can. Harland Sanders faced life with courage. He failed countless times. He was rejected endlessly. And yet, at 65, he changed the world with one idea. Imagine if he had given up after the first 100 rejections, or the 500th, or the 1,000th. The world would have missed out on one of the most iconic brands in history. Your setbacks aren't the end. Your age isn't a limit. Your failures aren't final. The only thing that can stop your dream is your own decision to quit. So the next time you feel it's too late, or you think failure is the end, remember Harland Sanders, the man who started at 65, failed 1,009 times, and still changed the world. Here on Grivox, we remind you, your dream doesn't expire, only your belief does.